You might be wondering what's going on here. Let me go back. Welcome to the field station in Joshua Tree, California. This is Chris Burkard. You can see him here hosting a storytelling workshop for a group of photographers. As part of his workshop, he showed a film by Ben Moon about his dog, Denali.
Sorry about the pause. I was just trying to buffer everything that you're about to see before I show you. Like, sometimes there's just a lot of information that I have to process, and you just need to take a second before trying to absorb it all. Okay, there we go. Oh shoot. Okay, this hotel Wi-Fi is just not going to cut it. While we're waiting, I guess I forgot to introduce myself. I'm a spinning wheel. And while a lot of people have told me I can be insufferable and unbearable or annoying and stupid, just know that I'm doing my job. I'm buffering. I'm pausing to allow whatever it is you're about to ingest to reach its maximum potential before presenting it to you.
Well, I apologize because it looks like I don't have the bandwidth to show you this video right now.
Like, I can maybe show you some other footage from this workshop that one of the attendees took. It's not super deep, just some eye candy from Joshua Tree. You know what? Maybe this should be your sign. When I start spinning too long, or whenever it seems like it's taking a long time to take in what's happening around you, it's probably a good idea to just hit the pause button, take a step back. In fact, I've seen this presentation that Chris is giving, and he would probably say that you should just go outside. Go get yourself into some nature. Do something creative. Find inspiration to tell your own story. Like, it might not arrive fully formed, so you need some time to let it breathe. Or actually, yeah, you know what? Just turn off your screen. Go outside, like I said. Take a buddy or a pet while you're at it. Just do something to enjoy the outdoors. Do something vulnerable and authentic. Appreciate the value in simple moments. Life does not have to always be about big achievements. Just appreciate the small experiences and cherish the people and the pets that are always there for us. That's what this whole movie's about. But Ben Moon says it way better than I ever could, so I'll just let him tell you. Eventually.